Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see this manual citrus press juicer, and because I just want to compare this because in the previous month, or not in the previous month, 6 months ago, we did this video on our channel, which is Philip citrus press, which is of 25 watts juicer. Okay, just you need to press the oranges or the lemons so that it will squeeze the juicer for you. I'll be showing you this one. I'll be skipping this and see here, and this is the citrus press. We already uploaded the video, you can check in the description. And now we'll see how good is this manual thing, manual juicer. So those who are thinking like to go for manual juicer or the electric citrus press also, which is of just 25 watts, so there won't be very much nutrients removed because it is very low power energy. 25 watts means it rotates very slowly. Just you need to press like this on that citrus plus. See here, the user has just used with this orange juice, and the juice is really being collected. Yeah, and here in the manual thing, just while recording this video in 30 seconds, this is the result. Okay, and the seeds are getting separated here. Okay, yeah, and this pulp also I can just collect it here to the inside, and I'll take another part. Just observe the timing. This video is not for fast forward or something. This is just real time. It is taking like 10 seconds for one half to be pressed here. I'm just pressing with little bit of energy applied. Okay, and I can just collect these seeds here to my side, and the pulp area to inside. Okay, okay, let me take another Mosambi. And coming to the juice extraction, maybe both will be same. The electric one and the manual procedure, both will be same amount only, because the electric process also halfway we need to use manual method only. We need to just press on the citrus press as this juicer will rotate. Means anyway, that is also not fully automatic, semi-automatic you can say, the electric one also. And please do comment which tool are you using, the manual citrus juicer or the here this is removable. Okay, there will be different extensions, and there are vents here, so that through that vents the juice will be collected. Okay, and there are many products online like this manual juicers available. Please do comment which brand juicer are you using for the manual collection, or if you are using an electric thing, please do mention in the comments so that whoever watching this video will get an idea. Okay, now I'll be just pouring this juice into okay, and if I want to say, this manual juicer has been using like 15 years, you can say. For the past 15 years I can just take this out, and I can keep the glass here and see for 2 Mosambis the juice collected here through the manual process. Because if we do it in lot of electrical manner, few people say, experts say that there may be some loss of nutrients or the vitamins or the good benefits of the juice which is collected. Means there shouldn't be any heat generated while extracting the juice. and as this is a manual process, maybe I think there won't be such loss. Okay, yeah, please do comment. If you like this video, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.